today, back again with another video for y'all. So if you haven't read that title already, this is a makeup video, so we're going to be doing my makeup today. The look I'm going for, I really just want to do like a cute glam with a pop of blue. And I feel like every time I want to do my makeup, I'm always doing some type of like blue look, but the hair. So I want to do something blue. Okay, so yeah, I want to do a blue look, and I want to incorporate these lashes with this hair because I'm about to get ready to take it off, but I want to get like a little bit of content before I change my hair. So we're going to be doing a look. Let's go ahead and hop into it. Okay, so the look that I wanted to do originally was this one. I was like absolutely obsessed with her blue eyes, but I don't have any blue eyeliner, so I don't think that I can achieve this look. So I think I'm just gonna do a like soft glam with a blue under eye. I think that'd be really cute. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by using some Airspun and just putting a little bit of this loose powder under my foundation to set my makeup a little bit better. So yeah, looking very much ghostly and ghastly. So moving on, I'm gonna take this combination right here. I love this brush. I don't know exactly what it's called. I think it's called a foundation brush. Don't quote me on that. But yeah, so I love this brush. And then foundation, of course, this is It's You. I usually put some of this in NARS in a container. So I'll probably use both of these, all three of these together. Okay, so this is what we're working with. I'm not too excited about my face color. Like, I need a freaking tan. I'm ready for the summer just because I get really, really pale. Like, I look sickly, like ghostly. Like, I don't like when my skin is like this. I like when I'm like golden tone, very much tan. Like, yeah, so I'm about to contour my face to bring some like color into it. Hopefully it turns out good. I just got this new palette from Amazon and I really do like it, but we're gonna try to like put some bronzer on or something because I just look like ghostly. Like, I'm in disbelief. Like, I really cannot believe like I am this pale. Like, I need a tan. Get me out of here. Okay, I'm gonna use one of these Morphe brushes to do the contour, and this is what the palette looks like. So it has like the blush colors and then like bronzer up top. I guess I can use this one too, like alternate, but I'm gonna try the lighter one first because I don't want to be doing too much. I don't know if it's smart to do anything right here because of my lace, but I just feel like I need something up top too. I don't know if we're looking like more scary or are we starting to come together, but I'm gonna trust the process because I have faith in myself. I always do. Okay, so this is what the face is looking like thus far. I'm liking it. That's why you gotta trust the process. So I'm thinking I want to do kind of like a light color on my lid, and then we're gonna add the pop of blue at the bottom. But I'm not sure what color to use. I'm stuck between like this one and this one. I don't want too much attention up top since the focus is going to be on the bottom. So I just want to do like something light just to add a little something up top. So I'm just going to use one of these brushes here. And then I'm also filming a TikTok. Y'all know I try to do both and multitask. I just feel like these are so hard because it's like once I do something, either I gotta do it again or I can't get it for both. Okay, so the first thing I wanna do is spray some Milani. Okay, and then I wanna take one of the colors, like I said, and put it up top. I don't know, that's what it's giving, but now I feel like it's too dark, so I don't know if I like it. So let me just like sit and marinate on it because I don't know if I messed up or should I just keep going and trust the process, because I just feel like it's a little dark for what I was going for. Okay, so this is what it's giving. I'm gonna add some eyeliner, but I want to go ahead and put the blue on the bottom just so I can see it together. I envision that it's gonna be cute, but I need to see it like on the face. So we're gonna go ahead and use this palette here. I got it from Beauty Supply Store, and this is the closest that I can find to my hair is this area here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start putting a little bit of blue with this angled brush. Okay, so the one I think that's closest to my hair is probably this one. Okay, let's see. Okay, so it's looking like that. So I'm just gonna keep going in and deepening it just so it can be really pigmented and really give that pop of blue. And I think with black eyeliner, I think it's gonna come together real cute. Okay, so now I'm about to add my little beauty marks that I like to add lately. I don't know, I just feel like I like my beauty marks and I don't like when they're covered. So we're gonna put them back, let them shine through. I have one right here. Okay, so that's one. And then I don't like to do the one on my nose. I don't know why, but not that one. And then we're gonna do the one right here. Yeah, those are my two that I like to do. And so now that I got the eyes together, I'm debating if I want to put black eyeliner on the bottom lash line, but it might be too much. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the lashes on just so I can see, because I don't know. I just don't know with all the different elements that's going on. I don't know if adding black on the bottom would be just too like dark for what I was going for. So let's go ahead and add the lashes. I'm excited because these have some color in it. I do know that they're gonna be super long, like flyaways, and I haven't been into those type of lashes in a minute. So I don't know how this about to go, but ooh, they so long. Oh my gosh. All right, so they look like this, and you just see like how big and long they are. They're really cute, but like, oh my gosh. So we about to put these on. Go ahead and glue them. Okay, so this is how it's looking with the lash on. And I'm about to put the other one on. I love how like the lashes are spot on with the hair. Like this is killer. but these are so long. Oh my gosh, I can fly away literally. But they're so pretty. Okay, so I did add some blush to this side. I thought I needed blush and I cannot decide if I hate it, but there's literally technically nothing I can do about it because I can't wipe it off. But I'm in a frenzy right now because I don't know if I just feel like I messed up my face. Okay, so I added blush to the other side and I went ahead and selected these two for the lips. I'm just trying to do like real neutral lips. So we're gonna go ahead and do the lip combo. I hope it's like on point because I hate when the color isn't the right color and then you gotta start like mixing and mixing and mixing to get the color that you want. I really try to like deepen and over exaggerate my lip liner because I know it's gonna wear off. I want the like semi-permanent one. I don't know what brand it is, so if you know what it is, please comment down below because I want to try it out. It's like long wear lip liner. And then we're gonna take this NYX lingerie. I'm a little scared. I'm skeptical and I'm scared. I don't know if it's gonna be too light, so I'm just gonna like pat it. Okay, babies, the last thing that I did was add a little bit of black eyeliner to my bottom lash line. Y'all know I can't resist, and I must say, like, it just really added to the look. It gave it that like professionalism. So yeah, this is the look right here. I'm about to give you guys a better look at everything all together. But yeah, this is her, this is she. I really do like it. I love blue. Like, blue is just such a fun color to work with. And yeah, I'm definitely feeling this, and now I want to go out for drinks or something because I just feel like I need to be seen. Like, I'm so cute. So I'm definitely about to get some content with this hair. I think I'm gonna straighten it and like take it down.